Hey guys, Ethan here at Statewide Ford, your technology specialist. Today I want to go over using your iPhone with your Sync 3 system. Alright guys, as we can see, the audio is turned off and my phone is not connected through Bluetooth. What I have done already is located the USB charging station right here in the center stack. I have also already plugged in the USB cable here as well. What I'm going to do is just plug that in just like I would normally charge my phone. Then up on the screen it lets us know that the iPhone has been detected. What we can do then is come down right here where it says apps. We'll click on that and it already has pulled up Pandora. That is right now the only application on my phone that is able to talk through the sync system. So we can go ahead and click on Pandora. And this will pull up the last station that was played on my Pandora, just like it would, be it on your computer or on your phone. And the great thing about it here, we have our presets, which will show us our 6 most recently played stations, along with our shuffle and our thumbprint radio as well. And if we click on the bars right there, that will give us our entire radio set that we have. So every station that you've ever played and still have on your phone, it will pull up through there. Just like normal, you can thumbs up, thumbs down. You can pause it, play it, and also hit next. The back button, unfortunately, just like it does in the app, does not work, even though it's on the sync system. But we can also hit the menu, and from here we can get information on the track just like you could on your phone, and just like you could also as well, you can create a station from the current artist or from the current track as well. And through here you can exit Pandora if you choose to. So guys, if you have any questions about this awesome feature, please give me a call here at the dealership, 419-238-0125. You guys have a great day.